Nobody did. 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 Nobody did.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Today we're about to be headed out to Santa Rosa. Gotta test fit the new wheels on the SC300. But first we gotta go pick them Jemmies up. No updates today, none of the extra stuff. Let's just jump straight into the video. So this is like my last set of 305s that I have. These are hella old. I'm gonna be mounting these on just for temporary right now. I need to see how the new wheels fit with a 305 on them. And then if everything's cool, then I'm gonna be ordering some R888s in this size to test on, because with my new wheels, these R888s aren't gonna work on these wheels. The offset's too crazy. So let me clean these up. If these are all good, then like I said, I'll order some new R888s to throw on the SE in this size, because I know this size should probably work since the offset's similar. So I also have a new front splitter for the SE. I have a front splitter for the G35, and I have side splitters for the G35, but I'm not gonna be putting none of this on today. Meh, on second thought, maybe I will take this one with me and install this on the SE today, because I am gonna have the front end up. So while it's up, I might as well just throw this on there. So new wheels all done, and they look. So these are my rears. Look at that. These are all look clean on the SE. You know, I'm simple, so I just went and got brand new silver hardware for it. Simple man. Simple things. Here at AVN, y'all already know the familiar. Where you running to, yo? So my dumbass ended up bringing a 305 and a 295, but luckily they got some 305/30 R888s here that we're gonna use. Look at this. This is my old set of tires. I didn't forgot I left these here. Fucking got my old tires here. Brought the wrong tires. They got the R888s. We all over the place. Oh yeah, Aaron here too.
But he running
What Porsche you got? Huh? GT2. I will run that shit, yo.
Oh, he gonna hook real fast.
He gonna hook, but I'm gonna be like this.
I watched the GT2.
Huh? What's up? You trying to run it for YouTube? SC versus Porsche GT2? 850 horsepower? That's gonna be, hey, if I gap you, it's gonna look good. And the first set of meat this thing done seen. Where's the gold member at? Surprise, motherfucker. Tiny T. Man, where's my sandwich at, yo?
Doritos.
Oh, look at that on the lift, huh? Show them the lift, huh?
Check it out.
All right, let's get these mounted on here and see how these things are gonna look. I already know they're gonna look sauce, because if I didn't think they were gonna look sauce, I wouldn't have never did it, but let's just get a little confirmation right now. So the white on the teal looks way better. This shit looks hella nice. These are gonna be so clean with the new color. The new wheels look fire on here. And one thing that was always bugging me about this car is I had the KBD side skirt extensions right here, aka the side splitters. So these are polyurethane also from KBD, but I didn't have no lip. So it was just looking kind of oddish. You got side splitters and then nothing. So decided to buy this little poly lip that they sell, and we're gonna try this on. Hopefully it lines up. It looks kind of big, but it should fit. Yeah, it should fit. If you look at that, like kind of kicked in perfectly. So with the front splitter, it's gonna be something like this, and then this definitely looks a lot better. Now it like looks more symmetrical. matching the sides. So I'm gonna get this all drilled in and secured. Probably make a couple more little changes, that way I know it's even. And then that way this will protect the wrap and shit from getting all messed up from going up curbs and stuff.
But shit, if you still want it, give me $35 for it.
This is what they really want. They want that tuck. Shit ain't gonna work for nothing though. Hell nah.
Why you still touch it?
Probably would rub at that height. Probably rub the frame.
Oh, you talking about if it was sitting like that?
So now that these are on, I'm gonna be taking all the bronze wheels back with me. That way I can swap the faces and clean these lips and stuff up. And then get this thing all on one set of wheels. A couple hours went by and now we're over here at Christian's house. Christian's shop, might as well be Christian's house. This nigga's like damn near always here. So we're over here at Christian's shop and he's about to swap the faces out for me and get the SSR Struce faces in. Yeah, you don't want to be saying what's up. Hello, hold on.
Oh, retake.
Hello, how you doing, Christian?
I'm doing well, sir. Very good to see you again, Mr. Mike.
I got the other faces in there and I got the new hardware.
So you want to keep the tire on, right?
Yeah, just pull the face out, swap the other one in.
You didn't deflate it yet, right?
Nope. What's up, Christian? You miss me or what?
Definitely not, bro.
Damn.
Just playing, bro. We gotta ride though. I'm getting my bike tomorrow. I mean, like, you gotta pick up that bike, bro.
And what if I go down though, man?
You don't want to go down?
I don't want to go down. I don't want to turn pink. Imagine my big ass tumbling down the road.
You're rolling fully on the road.
Hella rolling.
Stop that shit! Stop that! Whoa, what the fuck, man? What the fuck is this? Damn. For sale.
So the front wheels got little baby lips, so they're not as impressive as the rear ones you guys seen earlier, but at least they're a full set now. It's probably like a little baby 3-inch lips. Ugh. Tragic, tiny lips, bruh. Ugh.
I don't know why you're fucking with that thing, bro.
Hey. So a little dilemma, the new hardware is 8 mil and the standard size bolts are going to be 7 mil. So what we need to do is drill these out a little bit bigger. That way we can get the 8 mils in. And you can see these faces are extremely ashy, so I'm about to hit these jemmies with the polish one time. I'm not gonna use a machine, I'm gonna just hit them real quick with my hand, so it's gonna take a little second, but I'm not trying to do nothing special. I'm just trying to get them cleaned up a little bit. You can hella see the difference already. Quick little go over. So side by side, quick hand polished versus not hand polished. So last thing is to rebalance these jammies and then they are ready to go on the SC. Just finished up, wheels already loaded in the car. Again, thank you, Christian. Christian's always helping with the wheels and all that stuff. So now I can get these things all mounted on. The car will be all set on one set of wheels. And then my bronze wheels, I'll probably, I don't know, probably end up rebuilding them, probably paint the faces or have the faces powder coated, because I've been on the bronze for hella long, and I think those wheels or those faces are sick and they have potential to be dope wheels, but the color's kind of like eh. So I'll probably change the color, see if I end up liking the wheels again, put them on something else, maybe the G35, or we'll figure that out later when we get to it. New day, came to Hexa extremely early today, that way I can get the wheels mounted on and then I can head to work. So I'm gonna get these on here real quick because I don't want my car sitting here looking boof on these ugly ass G35 wheels. Like, car look hella naked. Like, look at this. Presentation is everything. You don't want to leave your car here and somebody come see it, and then somebody take a picture of your car and they be like, oh, fucking look at it, it's like ugly. So gotta get this handled real quick. So hella dumb, came way out here and I left my fucking spacers, but luckily it has some little PPM 15 mils that I can throw on here for now until I bring mine back. And the cool part is the wheels have relief cuts in them, so these clear. So this is how it's looking with the new SSR Struce on there. I didn't forgot everything today. Spacers, forgot to bring the center cap, but it's good. Got those at the house. But yeah, the white on teal looks pretty dope, even though I am changing the color of the car. So by my birthday, I'm supposed to be dropping this off on March 21st. And then that's when I'm about to be changing the color to the new color. So by my birthday, I'll have this thing back and mob this around for my B-Day. But yeah, these look pretty good on here.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.